Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to sell Dogecoin on Bitvavo. First of all, make sure that you log in to your Bitvavo account, and then from here, if you go from assets to wallet, you will see here your wallet. Then what you need to do is scroll down and search here for your assets, because you already bought Dogecoin. So what we need to do now is we click here on Dogecoin, and then from here you see here the button sell. So right now we click here on sell, and you see that I own around 1900 Dogecoin, but we want to sell, let's say, just one Dogecoin. So what we need to do now is we tap here on the arrows, fill in one. Oh, here, the minimum is 29 Dogecoin. So then what we need to do is we want to sell 30 Dogecoin, that's around 5 euros, that's fine. So then you fill in 30 Dogecoin, and then we can sell it. Now, again, if you tap here on the two arrows, you can also fill in euros, and the minimum is 5 euros, that's always. So what we need to do now is we go to preview order. Right now you see here your order, and if you click now on sell Doge, you see that your Dogecoin was successfully sold. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.